RISA works for safe roads regardless of the weather. When temperatures approach freezing and winter conditions set in, RISA is already on the road, making sure traffic can move as safely as possible. Winter operations mean taking responsibility for safe travel in a demanding climate. It requires the right measures in the right place at the right time. Our winter patrol teams make this possible with the help of our R-Vinter. R-Vinter combines advanced weather forecasts with digital terrain models. Real-time sensor data from the road provides even greater precision. This allows us to take targeted measures, from dry salting during plowing to preventive actions like pre-wetted salt, salt brine, pre-wetted sand, or dry sand. Every method is tailored to local conditions. R-Vinter handles everything from weather alerts and call-outs to route prioritization and deciding which measures to take. This ensures every action is carried out in the best possible way. We also verify the effectiveness of our measures using floating car data from traffic. This gives us a clear picture of how vehicles actually behave on the road and helps identify slippery sections. R-Vinter isn't just about data and technology, it's about people. Winter patrol operators ensure the right assessments, priorities, and actions around the clock. They know that smooth handovers are essential when transitioning between shifts. Their expertise, combined with precise technology, provides reassurance. For RISA, safety and accessibility are always the top priorities. R-Vinter monitors every meter of the roadway using sensors. It tracks air and surface temperatures, road conditions, and maintenance actions. It also uses GPS-controlled salting to apply salt exactly where it's needed most at intersections, bus stops, roundabouts, where good traction is critical for traffic safety. For the driver, this means increased safety and a more confident driving experience with full focus on traffic. The amount of salt is adjusted in real time for each road segment, while our models are continuously updated with current data from the road. Safe roads are never a matter of chance. It's about being in the right place at the right time, with the right method, and with our R-Vinter. RISA is in control. Whatever the weather, whatever the road. RISA, a strong future, solid ground, and the real deal.